this iPhone XR came in with no charging issue, and we have discovered that the problem is with the USB IC. So let's quickly fix it. We remove the USB IC, but before then we remove the gum that surrounds it. Cover the CPU if you want to do this, except you are sure of what you are doing. Trying to remove the gum. If I don't remove the gum, it will remove the component around it together if I try to remove the IC. So it's important we remove the gum first. Okay, the gum is out. Let me see. Can I zoom small? Good. So let's take it out. I'll use something to pull it as I'm hitting it, so that as soon as it melts, it will be out. Not even as soon as it melts, as soon as it's soft. The thing is taking time, so I want to support it with a soldering iron. Okay, good. So let's clean the interface. We can use a low melting soda to make the cleaning faster. Just in small quantity, so that it won't mess the place up. Okay. I'm trying to clean the interface. Two parts are missing in the board, but they are useless. They are not connected to anything. So let's clean the interface. Fine. All right. I would like to rebuild the new IC just to reduce the amount of temperature that we use to install it. I'm trying to avoid too much temperature to preserve the CPU, so that I won't have to work on the CPU again after fixing the IC, just to be on the safer side. That's the IC. That's the new one. So I will reball it to reduce the amount of temperature that we use. get the appropriate stencil. I hope this worked. It's having a slight sign of crack by the side. I'm not sure you can. Let me zoom. If you can see that white dot, it's a tiny crack. Let's see. Let's just reball it and install it. We'll not just assume that it will not work. All right. Take it outside, let them check it outside. Take that phone outside, let them check it outside. All right. I'll wait for it to cool. Good. So let's fix it on our board. The interface is cleaned. Seeing some dirt there. All right. So let's put soldering paste. Then our IC. Again, to do this, if you are not very sure of what you are doing, please cover the CPU. All right, the IC is fixed. Let's just rest a moment to allow it to cool down. I think I have the screen. So let's pack it and see maybe the problem is fixed or not. Connect the charging flex. That's the most important thing. Oh. Okay. Let's connect the screen. All right, let's plug charger and see. The battery is pretty low. Then I connect it to system. Let me quickly get the power bank. Okay, it's still not charging. Let's check what's on VBAT. It's not charging. Okay. It turned out that the charging IC of the phone was also bad. Yes. So I don't know which one spoiled which one, but one definitely spoiled the other. This is the charging IC, and this is the USB IC. So I had to change the two. The USB IC was short, so the current with which the phone was starting was not correct. And when I checked, it was the USB IC that was shorted. So I suppose changing the USB IC was supposed to fix the problem, but then it did not. So I had to change the charging IC too. When I checked and I discovered the charging IC was also bad, so I had to change it too. So now let me off the light. You can see the current with which the phone is charging. It's charging with 2 amps, and like I said, the battery was very low. The battery was very low, so it will take some time before it okay, and it's up. I was even expecting it to take a long time before it will come up because it was very, very low. So I will just let the phone boot so that we will see the indication that the phone is charging now. Okay, you can see that the phone is charging now. I have not connected anything, so the power key is not working. You can see the phone is charging and it's ready to serve the customer again. So this is the phone. Thank you for watching. Click the like button and subscribe.